Did you know that eating eggs the wrong way could actually be hurting your health, especially if you're over 60? Yep. Eggs are often praised as one of the healthiest foods around. But the truth is, a few simple mistakes can turn this breakfast favorite into a real threat to your heart, your muscles, and your overall vitality. Now here's the thing, most folks don't even realize they're making these mistakes. You might be doing them every day, thinking you're making a healthy choice. In today's video, we're breaking down the biggest mistakes older adults make when it comes to eating eggs, and more importantly, how to fix them. Stick with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to enjoy eggs in a way that supports your energy, your mobility, and your long-term health. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1, overcooking your eggs. A lot of people think that cooking eggs until they're good and firm is the safest bet. Scrambled until rubbery, fried until crispy, or boiled until the yolk turns green, that's how most of us grew up cooking them. But here's what most folks don't know, when you overcook eggs, you're not just changing the texture. You're actually destroying key nutrients your body needs, especially as you age. We're talking about vitamins like A, D, B12, and more. These are the nutrients that keep your bones strong, your muscles energized, and your mind sharp. And when you crank up the heat, you lose them. Even worse, overcooking can actually damage the cholesterol in the yolk, causing it to oxidize. And oxidized cholesterol isn't your friend. It's been linked to inflammation in the blood vessels, which can lead to heart disease, poor circulation, and all kinds of issues that really matter when you're trying to stay active and independent. So, what's the fix? Keep it gentle. Try soft-boiled eggs, poached eggs, or lightly scrambled over low to medium heat. You want the yolk just a little runny, and the whites just set. If you're boiling eggs, aim for 9 to 10 minutes max. That way, you don't turn the yolk into rubber or lose those essential nutrients. Oh, and when they're done cooking, don't leave them sitting in the hot pan. That just keeps the cooking going. Transfer them right away to a plate or run cold water over them if they're boiled. Small change, big benefit. Now, before we keep going, if you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up, share it with someone you care about, and drop a comment below to tell us how you like your eggs. And hey, stick around till the end, because tip number 4 is something that surprises a lot of people and can make a big difference in how you feel every day. Alright, back to it. Mistake number 2, frying eggs in unhealthy oils. Now let's talk about frying. I get it, fried eggs taste great. But the kind of oil you use? That matters. A lot. Many people reach for cheap oils like canola, corn, or soybean oil. They're easy to find and affordable, but here's the problem, they're loaded with omega-6 fats that are unstable when heated. Once they hit that frying pan, they break down and create harmful compounds that trigger inflammation in the body. And inflammation is no joke. It can stiffen your arteries, slow down your muscle recovery, and leave you feeling tired and achy. Even worse, many of these oils sneak in trans fats, even if the label says 0 grams. Trans fats are linked to all kinds of cardiovascular problems. They lower your good cholesterol, HDL, raise the bad kind, LDL, and increase your risk of heart disease. So what should you do instead? Use stable, heart-healthy fats that can handle the heat. Think extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, ghee, or even a little real butter. These fats are not only safer at high temperatures, they actually bring added flavor and nutritional benefits. Even better, try poaching or soft boiling your eggs. That way, you skip the oil altogether and keep the nutrients locked in. Bottom line, it's not just about the egg, it's about what you cook it in. Mistake number 3, skipping the yolk. Remember when people used to say, egg yolks are bad for you? That they're full of cholesterol and should be avoided? Well, that old advice is outdated, and it's causing more harm than good. The yolk is actually where most of the nutrition is. It's loaded with vitamin D for strong bones and immune support, choline, a nutrient that supports memory and brain function, B12 for energy and red blood cell health, lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that protect your eyes from age-related damage, and healthy fats that help you absorb all those nutrients. When you throw out the yolk, you're throwing out nature's multivitamin. And here's some good news. Research shows that eating whole eggs, yolk and all, doesn't raise blood cholesterol in most people. In fact, it can even improve your cholesterol profile by boosting your HDL, the good kind. So unless your doctor tells you otherwise, don't skip the yolk. Embrace it. It's the part that fuels your brain, your muscles, and your energy, especially after 60. Mistake number 4, relying on processed egg products. We live in a convenient world. Cartons of liquid eggs, frozen breakfast sandwiches, powdered egg mixes, they're everywhere. But here's the problem, those processed egg products. They often come loaded with additives, preservatives, and hidden chemicals your body just doesn't need. Things like sodium benzoate and potassium sorbate are used to extend shelf life, but they can irritate your gut and add to chronic inflammation. Many of these products are high in sodium, which makes it tougher to manage blood pressure and maintain good circulation, both critical for heart and leg health as we age. Some of them even cut out the yolk entirely, robbing you of the most nutritious part of the egg. And let's not forget the way they're usually eaten, slapped on a biscuit with processed cheese and salty bacon. Suddenly, your egg breakfast is more of a sodium bomb than a health booster. So what's the smarter move? Stick to the real thing. Buy whole eggs. If you want convenience, boil a few ahead of time and keep them in the fridge for easy meals and snacks. When you cook them fresh, whether scrambled, baked, or poached, you're getting the full range of nutrients, without the extra chemicals. If you absolutely need a ready-to-use egg product, look for labels that say, 100% egg with no additives. Fewer ingredients usually mean a healthier option. Remember, it's not about giving up eggs, it's about eating them the right way. Eggs are one of nature's most powerful foods. But how you cook and eat them can either help you, or hurt you. Let's recap the big mistakes to avoid. 1. Overcooking your eggs destroys nutrients and oxidizes cholesterol. 2. Using unhealthy oils adds inflammation and cardiovascular risk. 3. Skipping the yolk means missing out on vital nutrients your body needs. 4. Relying on processed egg products adds chemicals, sodium, and strips away the good stuff. The good news? Every one of these mistakes has a simple fix. Cook eggs gently. Choose healthy fats. Eat the whole egg. And stick to real, whole food as much as you can. These small changes can make a big difference in how you feel every day, stronger, more energetic, and more resilient. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like it, subscribe to the channel for more health tips just for folks over 60, and share this with a friend or family member who might need it. And hey, if you've got a favorite way to prepare eggs that's both tasty and healthy, tell us in the comments below. You never know who you might inspire. Thanks for watching, stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.